Okay, well, what we're about to show you is how to clean the valves or grind the valves without disassembling the whole uh, spring and sheet. I know this is a 20 years old motor head. I should have changed the rubbers. Usually it costs just like cents. So. But the thing is, how to do it without disassembling the whole thing. The normal way is disassembling it and taking that valve mushroom shaped, connect it inside with a rubber band, pipe. Connect the pipe to a screwdriver. Put a what we call the grinding salve to grind the thing, and just spin the screwdriver. Now I'm too lazy, so what I do is when there is a dead spot in the valve when you start closing it. First lock and nothing moves, and if you twist another quarter spin, or like less than that, you can start spinning it with a finger a little bit more. You see? Now it's free. So what I do is I clean it with a carbo clean a little bit, and I open it as much as I can. I put the grinding, I can show you in here, the second one. You can see inside, this is the grinding valve, the grinding salve. I will show you the material in the box, just a second. This is maybe 50-year-old box, and I close tight. This is something I did because I don't have the tools. I can take it out. I put it like this. Now, this is a closed valve. I can open, I can close. I can look at it as a dial. Depends on what side I'm looking at. Now, the main idea of how to grind. This is a mushroom. This is a flat tire fixing mushroom. Usually it's a little bit bigger and longer. I trimmed it to the right size. I put it in a screwdriver. Remember the dead spot. תעשי קלוז-אפ, את יכולה? את יכולה להראות את השסתום בצורה שיראו את האור? ככה. בדיוק ככה רואים את השסתום. שיראו שהוא מסתובב. אוקיי, That's the main idea. So the grinding process. Again, what I did is I opened the valve, I put a little grinding material inside, and now it's an open valve. Now my assistant in here that is helping me taping the whole thing, it's usually now helping me cleaning the valves, so that's what she'll keep on doing. Every time I give her the cue, she will spin that key that I made, maybe half millimeter or less, closing the valve. So now you can hear it grinding. Shahal key. Opa.
Too much.
I think that's a totally closed valve. Shahal, open it a little bit. Shahal usually can't know the difference between half a millimeter and a millimeter, so. Shahal. And Shahal. And Shahal. Well, I know how good my valve was, so that's enough for me. You can keep on doing it. You know how you test the valve. You just spray the carbo clean inside and you see if it's leak. And sometimes just a little leak. It's not that bad. Good luck. Enjoy it.